Hi, welcome to Data Vids. My name is Istaba, and in this video, we will learn about how to create a gauge chart. Gauge chart is also known as speedometer chart because it is like an speedometer. We we have seen a speedometer, and we have seen that there is a pointer also there, which shows that where exactly the speed is. So this is almost look like an speedometer. That's why we also says it as a speedometer. This is being used for single KPI. Like we have some sales target and there is an achievement. So there are just two things, KPI and the actual achievement. So we can use in this only. This is not an inbuilt chart in Excel, as you can see here. There's nowhere we can find this. We need to create it by manipulating some data. So basically, we are using two different charts that is known as pie chart and donut charts. So before proceeding further, we first need to understand how we will make this chart. So you can see that I have put four different values here. So in my scenario, I have 100 as a final achievement. That is the maximum score that guy can achieve. So I have put 100, and there are three different more categories that will show that if I will from 0 to 25 here, then it means that I am in red. If I am further 50 means 0 to 75 means 25 to 75, I will be in yellow, and then further 75 to 100 I will be in green. That is these numbers. You can change it as per your own requirement. There will be another input data that is known as values. That is actually what we have achieved, and there's a pointer says that how the width of this pointer will be, and the final the endpoint will be this sum of these. That means 200 minus value minus pointer. So now let's go and we will try to make this speedometer or gauge chart. First we will go in the insert tab, then we will go to the donut chart. Here we will first remove the color, means no fill for the half part. Then we will move the angle. So angle of the first slice is 270. Now it has been moved, but the width is very less. To increase the width, we will first go here and move the value as 50. Now it shows something good. Now the first point will be, first category will be of red color. So we will go here and solid fill, and we will change the color as red. Now the next as solid fill, and it is yellow. And the third is a solid fill, and that is red. Okay, so the semi arc is ready. That is the speedometer. Now we need to put our pointer here. To create a pointer, we first change some data. So we will go in the select data and then add. First in the series name, we will put pointer, and then the series values. We will select all three different values. Okay, so now it is created. Now one more thing we need to do, we need to change the chart type. So here there is the chart type. So we will, this pointer will be uh, changed to pie chart, and we will select as secondary axis. Now the first piece We will fill no fill. We will select just first piece of this pie chart and we will fill no fill. Then second and again no fill. Lastly, this pointer remains here. So before moving this pointer, we will change the color, or we can do, yes, solid, and the color should whatever you want it. Black is good. And the last thing we will do, we will go in this series option and then we will change the angle as 270. Okay, so now this is ready. Just move some values here and there. So this chart is ready. You can change the pointer value as 2 to look it more beautiful. And now you can change the values 90, whatever